SRF is a Indian multinational company into multiple business. We have business segments like technical textiles. We have business segment packaging film business. We have a chemical business which has got a fluorochemical business and a specialty chemical business. So we have plants in India and overseas. I should say now we are at a COVID recovery phase. But during the COVID pandemic lockdown, technology helped us in the entire organization, not only from providing the users flexibility to work from anywhere, but also it has helped a lot in commissioning our new plant where the suppliers were overseas and they have done a remote installation of our new plants. So we have commissioned plants also. So I personally believe is that technology has helped us a lot during the pandemic. Talking about the milestones of our digital journey. Journey, we have taken it from the two dimensions. One is from the manufacturing, where we did technology implementation like IIoTs and AI. And another area which we focused a lot also on non-manufacturing areas, where you have accounting or you have, say, purchase or a sales. So all the functions which are not directly on the shop floor is using the technologies like ERPs. We use dashboards for MIS for a quicker decision making. We do planning using IT tools. So these non-manufacturing functions also take advantage on implementing the new technologies. Technology partners or technology or our user or our suppliers or our customers, this entire system, this entire ecosystem works in synchronization. Then only your journey or a transformation happens. It can never happen on a standalone basis because if you see, we all are integrated and we are like a business partners, and all the stakeholders plays a big role, including the technology inventors, to ensure that the business creates a competitive edge or a cost edge or a market edge while doing a business. So we first important thing is that we are lucky that we these technologies are available. So we are leveraging it on the shop floor, which helps us in achieving our one of the set statements like operational excellence, and that is the key thing which we get using these technologies, and we give best quality products to the customer so that our customer never suffers because of our product quality. So it helps immense our customers when we use this technology in-house and ensure the quality of the product and the cost of the product. Here, primarily, if you ask me, as a technology, we have been using augmented reality for installing our new machines remotely. And now we are also have a plan. Now we have a plan to use AR for a remote support, because during pandemic we have used certain applications, and now our users feel in the organization that this technology will help us immensely. So though we did small POCs around it, and if the use cases are strong enough, and we'll be leveraging this technology in the coming year. Use AR, we use AR application, and which currently is being used as a use case, as I told you, is one is that we do remote support, and we also use the same technology to install our new machines on the shop floor. First of all, these technologies are not industry specific, but yes, when if you talk about the technical textiles industry, what we are into, we use these technologies, as I explained you, that it helps in managing my shop floor remotely. So depending on the key skill resources, makes it easier for me that I can call them anytime when I need. I need not to be dependent on, say, his flight or any other thing. So this helps a lot. At end of the day, these technologies bring in a lot of AI stuff around it, which helps us in doing some dynamic knowledge repository, and which can be used for our references when we actually do a action on the shop floor. Talk about CRM as an concept or as an process flow. So e-commerce selling it online for technical textile is not a real use case because we are primarily into B2B segment. So what we do, we have a customer portals where we provide our customers the update on what are the order statuses, what are the payment statuses, and what are the complaint statuses, if any, is there. So all the customer facing applications we have been using through our B2B portals. But yes, if you ask me, typical e-commerce site selling a technical textile on e-commerce, so that's not a use case we have right now. But yes, we can look forward if our customers want something, some commercial transaction to be done through a online. The strategy is basically multi-channel. Is that we, as explained you, we are primarily B2B. So we have a long-term contracts with the customers. So on the customer side, yes, we'll have little to do, but yes, on the supply side, we can work on various channels, online portals, doing transport management through online portal. So there we have a scope of doing multi-channel strategy.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.